Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, oh my goodness, I got a new mould. This is a tray mould. I got it from Amazon. It came with two handles that you can put in and either just put in or screw from underneath. And yeah, I'm so excited to try it. I'm actually making this one for the bedroom just because these colours are gorgeous. So in front of me, I have the mould. I will link this below. I have my silicone pots. I have all these stones that I got from the garden centre. Don't know if I'm using them, but I might. And I've just got some additional glitters here that Hemway actually sent me. Oh, these are just stunning. More Hemway. I've got some glitter here from Just For You online. Ignore some dirty moulds in the background. And yeah, so these are all the colours I'm going to be using today. And I won't talk anymore. There's a lot here. So the resin I'm using for this one is going to be my glass cast, just because I bought it for the wood turning and I still have loads left. So I'm going to be using that. And yeah, let's go.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never
intentions of not using any silver glitter, but I slipped and fell and pretty much used the whole pack. I honestly have no control. This is what it currently looks like. It is it's very, very sparkly. Now, I've decided I'm not going to put the handles in, so a lot of people go ahead now and put the handles in whilst this is still wet. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait to see what the flip side looks like. Then I'm going to decide which side I prefer the most, and then screw my handles in, and that's going to work better for me, because I feel like if I put them in now and the underneath is even prettier than this, I'll be a bit gutted. So I'm just going to leave it, let it set 24 hours. This might need a week. Let this set, and then flip it out and just see which side I prefer, and then job is done. Gonna screw those handles in, and yeah, can't wait. Okay. Get this flipped out now. It is it's a bit soft. Is it a bit bendy? Not really. It's ready to come out, definitely. I'm just gonna see what the other side looks like. Hold on, let me zoom out a bit. It's a bit too close. See what the other side looks like. And I'm loving this mould, I have to say. It is a dream, absolute dream, and I just feel like possibilities are endless. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to flip it round so the suspense isn't too great. Out you come. Ooh, see? Ooh. Now I have a dilemma. It didn't look that fun through the plastic, but... oh, okay. After thinking about it for quite a while, this side or this side, I have decided to go for this side. This is the side that is going to be facing up that I can see. And so, my next step before I screw the handles in is to paint the edges. I'm going to use the same paint that I've used for previous resin projects such as coasters, and it is this stuff. It wasn't cheap, but I feel like this is going to last me for the rest of my life. This is Arden Bright Indoor Outdoor Metallic Permanent Paint. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the edges of this with the silver. Toyed with the idea of creating some more lines within the geode to make it look more liney, but I'm going to leave it purely because I've had a go with some Poscas, I've had a go with some paint, and I'm not loving either result. Maybe some permanent markers would be better, but I don't have any, so yeah, I'm going to leave it right there. The next step would be to screw in the handles. I have got my drill here. I want to get a drill bit the size that you need and put it in. Then I'm going to use masking tape to, hold on, bear with while I get this tight. There we go. Okay, so that's my drill bit in there, and I'm going to put some masking tape along the edge of my piece, along each edge, just where I need it. I'm going to place the handles down, and I'm kind of happy with that placement. It looks pretty straight, so I'm just gonna draw around the handles, use a pen. Then I'm gonna dot in the middle of those, and that is exactly where I want to drill my holes. Okay, I'm gonna put my mask on for this. You always want to be wearing your mask when you're drilling resin because of the dust. So I'm gonna just go straight through the middle of this hole, and do the same on the other side, and then we'll come back. Phillips screwdriver head back on, and yeah, just gonna assemble and hope that I've got it right. We shall see if I can even pick them up. I'm just screwing it in the back here. Okay, line it up. Okay, that's one in. Just found an error with this mould, which is a shame. The screws don't fit. That is as far as I can screw them in, which is actually really annoyed me. I might have to purchase some new handles. The mould itself is really nice. It is from Amazon, from Let's Resin. The mould itself is beautiful, I cannot fault that, but the handles they provide in that pack, which I've listed below, just be aware those handles aren't right. For the depth of the mould they've provided, the handle they provided for the mould is not right. The screws don't fit in. It's really not a big deal. I'll be able to fix it by doing something. Not sure what yet, but I'm going to go ahead, put the other one in anyway. Here it is, all finished on my dresser, which is in my bedroom. Excuse the laundry down in that corner there. But yeah, so I absolutely love it. It is far away from anything I've ever tried before. Never done this much glitter. But the kit itself, you saw me struggle with the screws. Don't be fooled, the whole thing broke. The whole thing broke. I got it stuck, it wouldn't come out. I ended up having to get my little hacksaw and cut the screw down just to get it out, because this thing got jammed and you're really not happy. But I will be letting, I think Let's Resin is the company, I will be letting them know that the screws they provide with this kit are not fit for purpose. Hopefully they can just provide shorter screws. They only need to be shortened by about 3mm, 4mm for them to be perfect. Having said that, I absolutely love it. These handles, or this one obviously broke, but these are quite generic. I know I'm going to be able to pick those up on Amazon and get another set here by tomorrow. So yeah, overall super happy with the mould, absolutely love it, and it's my new perfume tray. All I need now is more perfume, right, to fill it up, then I can make another one. Hope you really enjoyed this one. I really loved it so much, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.